Hey guys, it's Gingineer. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon magsosolve na naman tayo ng another intermediate level age problem for civil service exam. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe guys, so subscribe ka na para lagi kang updated sa mga future contents pa natin regarding civil service exam. So start na natin. Michael is 4 times as old as his son Carlos. If Michael was 18 years old when Carlos was born, how old is Michael now? Okay? So, isulat muna natin yung mga given, no? So, si Michael and si Carlos. And then, isulat din natin yung 3 timelines natin. So, past, present, and future. Yan. And the next step guys, mag-set lang tayo ng variables. So, si Michael gawin natin siyang variable x and si Carlos naman iset natin siya as variable y. So, tignan natin guys yung mga condition and gumawa tayo ng equation. So, Michael is 4 times as old as his son Carlos. So, si Michael daw, which is variable x, is 4 times daw yung age niya kay Carlos. So, 4 times y. Okay, so first equation done guys. Tignan naman natin yung second condition. If Michael was 18 years old when Carlos was born. So, nung pinanganak daw si Carlos, guys, is 18 years old na si Michael. So, sa age naman, guys, no, kung ilan yung age gap nila, so dito is 18, hindi naman magbabago yon kahit tumanda na sila. Okay? So, gawan lang natin sila ng equation. So, variable x si Michael. So, mas matanda siya ng 18 years old. Ngayon, si Carlos na variable y, magpa-plus siya ng 18. Okay? So, para maging equal sa age ni Michael. So, nagawa na natin guys yung dalawang equation natin. So, next lang na gagawin natin is ipa-plug in natin yung nakuha nating first equation sa second equation. Okay? So, value ng x, that is 4y, is equal to, kopyahin lang natin, y plus 18. Okay? So, iisang variable na lang, no? So, pagsamahin na lang natin siya. Itong y dito, ililipat natin sa left side. So, 4y, magiging negative na. So, minus y and then equal to 18. Okay, so 4y minus y, that is 3y. And then is equal to 18. So, i-divide lang natin siya both side ng 3. Makakancel tong 3y na lang yung matitira. So, value ng y, 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Yun na ba yung hinahanap guys? Hindi pa. Kasi ang hinahanap dito is yung age ni Michael, which is siya si variable x. Since variable y yung nakuha nating value, ililipat natin to sa variable x using our first equation. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin, no? So, x is equal to 4y. Ilalagay lang natin yung value ni y na 6. So, 4 times 6 na. So, x is equal to 24. So, that is our final answer guys, 24 or letter B. So, yun lang guys, ganun lang mag-solve ng age problem. So, sana natuto kayo sa video na to. Kita-kits tayo guys sa next video ko.